Florida businesses could be shielded from frivolous COVID-19 lawsuits under legislation unveiled by both chambers of the state legislature. As reporter Jake Stofan tells us, the bill does not include healthcare providers like hospitals and nursing homes, but lawmakers say those industries will be addressed in separate legislation.
Florida Republicans say businesses in the state that have been operating throughout the pandemic deserve special protections to prevent a second economic hit from lawsuits blaming businesses for COVID infections.
If they're following the guidelines, they're going to have a safe harbor from liability going forward.
Senator Jeff Brandis is sponsoring the legislation. It would require a doctor to affirm a potential litigant acquired COVID at a business. Then it would have to be proven in court that the business was grossly negligent.
And that would extend to virtually any business in the state.
Healthcare providers are excluded from the legislation, but Brandis says they'll get their own bill protecting them from other suits they may face.
Elective surgeries being canceled at scale. That was clearly something. The inability to get in and see your doctor because the doctor's office wasn't open.
Florida Democrats have questioned the need for liability protections, arguing businesses would rather see lawmakers pass more COVID relief.
To help them with commercial rent payments, to help them have the resources that they need to be able to hold on to their employees.
But Brandis says there are a multitude of businesses and healthcare groups who have pleaded for the legislation.
Point me to a business that is saying, please don't provide us COVID protection. Please lower the standard and allow people to sue us easier.
The Florida Chamber, the Associated Industries of Florida, and the National Federation of Independent Businesses have all thrown their support behind liability protections, as have the Florida Healthcare Association and the Florida Hospital Association. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.